We can take these units, fill them with fuel and other necessary lubricants that are needed for the operation, and we're not tied to a certain class of driver with a CDL. We know we're going to have this certain amount of fuel, this certain amount of lubricants for our PM. It's a real good thing for us. When I finally decided to pull the trigger on purchasing these Thunder Creek units, was in 2020, following our response to Hurricane Laura. At the time, we were utilizing one service truck. We were operating multiple reduction sites as we're DMSs as we're doing here. And it just became very frustrating that we had people waiting at locations for the service truck to show up. So there again, it's the downtime. And we can say, okay, as opposed to going out and buying a whole nother service truck or 2 more service trucks or 3 more service trucks, we're looking from a $200-something thousand investment to making these vehicles versus what we spend on the Thunder Creeks. And since then, we're up to 4 units and look to be buying additional here pretty soon.
We're the ones coming in, especially during a disaster recovery type event, such as Hurricane Ian or any of those types of scenarios, the wildfires in California. We come in with portable generators and fuel those sites every so often to keep that commercial power or keep power running. We had a need to be able to, of course, haul fuel and not have the CDL drivers or the specified hazmat certifications in some settings. So it's helped with labor-wise, being able to utilize that resource in-house with what we have access to. But we saw the ability for the Thunder Creek to be able to fit the need of hauling larger amounts of fuel to service multiple sites at one go, or refuel multiple generators on our yards during a disaster event where we have multiples coming through. This is more nimble, it's smaller, more agile, so we can actually take it into a cell phone site, a tower site, wherever it is we're going to do a refuel, and then go on to the next site, not without stopping at a service station, and it just increases the efficiency of us on the move.
Oh, you can perform the service faster, and you can attend another customer without delaying the service. And that's what we do. We have to do faster services to get the job done, because it's critical, the job that we do in here.
If you run out of fuel on a job with 15 or 20 pieces of equipment, that can be very costly. And our job is to make sure that doesn't happen, and we take that job seriously. We have over 20 Thunder Creek pieces of equipment in our fleet, either trucks or the single tank or the multi-tank units in our fleet. It really does have a place, particularly in our fast turnaround, the same-day service environment. And so we primarily look at the Thunder Creeks as a great avenue for longer distance, shorter volume deliveries.